How to merge two tables in Word vertically. Hello and welcome back everybody to our channel. In today's video, we are going to provide you with a step-by-step tutorial that we can follow up in order to do so. So let's get started. So we can start by opening up our Word document, type in Word and go ahead and open it up. And then once you've opened it up, you can turn on paragraph marks if helpful. So go to home and look for the option called paragraph, which is this one right here, and that should do it. Now click in the blank line or space paragraph between the two tables, and you just need to go ahead and press the backspace. So look out for the option called backspace, and when you do, that should merge the tables. So you just need to go ahead and follow up the process, and you can do so until both of the table merges together. Keep deleting until the two tables touch, and once there are no paragraph between them, Word usually joins them into one table, and that should be done. Possible reason is one table is floating, so if they do not merge, that may be the reason. So you can right click on the table, and once you've done so, you can look out for the option called text wrapping or table properties. If you have that option of table properties, once you click on a table, right click on it, look out for the table properties, and within table properties, let's go and look out for text wrapping. So find text wrapping option here, and there select the option of none, and that should also do it for you, and you can try deleting the gap again. And after merging, you can also select the whole table. And once you've selected the whole table, you can click on the option called auto fit. You can right click and select the option of auto fit, and there you can just go over and adjust the column and the width, and that way you should be able to do it. And that's it everybody. Those are probably the method you can follow for now. So we hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and subscribe for more.